A farmhouse with no front-facing windows sounds impossible, yet this one still feels bright. From the street, the facade is quiet. It protects the interior from direct views. It also creates a stronger sense of privacy. But inside, the experience changes completely. Daylight enters from the sides. It enters from the rear. It also arrives from above. The living spaces turn toward the garden. Large openings capture the best views. Strategic skylights bring light deeper inside. The result is not a dark house. It is a carefully controlled one. The important idea is indirect light. Instead of harsh sunlight, the rooms receive softer illumination. The light spreads from several directions. It moves across walls, floors, and ceilings. The atmosphere stays bright without feeling exposed. This approach also changes how the rooms connect. Hallways feel less enclosed. Transitions feel more natural. Even compact spaces gain a stronger sense of depth. The closed front facade has another benefit. It helps reduce noise. It offers more protection from wind and weather. It creates a calm buffer from the outside world. So the house makes an unusual trade. It gives up conventional curb-facing windows. In return, it gains privacy, quiet, and controlled daylight. This is what makes the design so interesting. Brightness does not always require more glass. Sometimes it requires better planning. The question is not, how many windows do we need? The better question is, where should the light come from? And here, that single question changes the entire house.